In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an AI tool to generate images from text. This AI tool that we're going to use is called Gemini. It's Gemini AI. You can see once you go to gemini.google.com, it will bring you over here. Of course, you have to log in with your Gmail account. And once you're here, you can just go ahead and come down here. You can see this is the image tab. So you'll be able to type in, see what I have just typed, generate the image of a lion drinking coffee, and it just gives me this wonderful image. You can just click and you have a clean preview of the image it has created. You can go ahead and download this and you can use it for content creation. So let's ask one more question. Generate the image of a cat driving a car in the bush. And wonderfully, it has created that for us. You can see the cat is really driving the car inside the bush. Take a look, and it's very, very wonderful. I kind of like it. And you can download it as well to put it in your content. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.